Hello. Guess what? Wife is getting a present today. But I need to be very sneaky so she doesn't hear me. Okay, don't look at the door when I come out. So, wife, walk with me.
Walk with me?
Yeah.
Can't pause my game, apparently.
It's okay. So, tell me about your gamer tag. What is it?
Erabeth.
Yeah, and where did you get that?
Combination of my first and middle name.
Is there any spot in this room that says that name?
Right down there.
Cool.
On the walls.
And then, of course, you have your Fortnite skin that looks exactly as you envisioned that character to be, so it became a fun thing to do. So it's there and there and a couple commissions off of Etsy, so fun times. Well, wife, would you like to get your Christmas present on December 1st?
Sure.
Cool. All right, let me back into the room and then check out your desk.
What? No way! Oh my gosh. What? Was this like an actual thing that existed, or
So it was a 3D file that I bought,
Oh,
and then I hired somebody to print it, and then I hired somebody to paint it.
that's sick. Oh my gosh. So cool.
You like my wife?
Like, dude,
That is awesome.
so cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's Erabeth girl wife. Should we bring her to her spot? Should she go with the lineup over here? Well, no, she'd take her place in the middle, right? Nice. Looks great. And I'm sure we have more characters coming, but the lineup's looking good. Here, let's do one of those. Nice. It looks familiar. Nicely job, wife. You have a girl.
Nicely job. Let's.